of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and most compassionate. Today I want to talk about how can I connect my PC with a MikroTik router. Now I want to configure that. Before everything else, I want to enter to GNS3 and take a MikroTik router, and also after it I want to take a clone for the connection, and after it I want to take one PC. When I take a PC, now I want to use a straight cable or Ethernet cable. And I want to use Ethernet 2 0/0/0/0. When I create that, now I want to and after it I want to enter to MikroTik router. If you see it, the router is off. I want to start it. And now I want to sync again. I want to refresh the MikroTik router to give in the IP. I want to again open the MikroTik router. Yes, now I want to connect. Now I want to connect with the MikroTik router. I want to wait for it, and a router does not support. Now I want to choose this one and this IP. Yeah, I can connect and I can log into the login page of MikroTik. First I want to give an IP. This is already exist. Now I want to give a new IP like 172.16.0.100/16 Ethernet 2. Like I mentioned to you before, Ethernet 2 is which one? Ethernet 2 is this one. I want to give an IP address to this Ethernet 2, and after I want to close it, and now I want to enter to the DNS server to mention the DNS server .8, and after I want to apply or OK. When I do work in DNS, now I want to enter to firewall and enter to net. When I enter to net, now I want to enter to action and select the masquerade firewall, and then I want to enter to routes is already exists here. Now I want to enter to DHCP server and DHCP setup for Ethernet 2. Next, and I want to also do next, and also next. Okay, I want to exit from it. When I exit, now I want to enter to GNS3 for seat, and after it I want to edit and PC and close these two commands, and I want to directly give an IP from the MikroTik router. Now I want to start my PC and enter to the console of my PC. Now I want to wait for it to give an IP from the MikroTik router. You can see that I give an IP from MikroTik router 99. Yeah, gateway is 100 172.16.0.100. Now I want to ping my gateway 172.16.0.100. You can see that I connect with the MikroTik router. This is the configuration of MikroTik router, but how can we connect with the MikroTik router by MikroTik this MikroTik box. Thank you so much for watching it. Thank you so much for your support. Please subscribing, liking,